Hello everyone, this is Curtis at home in the kitchen cooking. That's right, I'm finna fix something here. What I'm gonna have today is some catfish. I had some catfish that was frozen. It was in a bag, like right here. Had some of this frozen catfish that I've used to, I think last time I had some, I deep fried it, the catfish. But I'm not going to deep fry it this time. What I'm going to do this time is I'm going to take this catfish and I'm going to bake it in the oven. That's right. So I've taken out some of it already and I let it thaw out. So what I'm going to do now that it's thawed out, I'm going to take and rinse it off, and then I'm going to take and put some seasoning on it. So I'm going to give you a view of it. This is what I'm talking about right here. If you can see, and here in the pan right here. Yeah, I got some of it right here. This is what I'm talking about. This is catfish right here. So I'm going to take it out of my pan because it has finished thawing out. So I'm going to rinse it off real good, and then I'm going to season it up and I'm going to put it in the oven. So give me a minute and I'll be right back when I get the fish all rinsed off real good here. Okay. Okay guys, I'm back. I have the fish all rinsed off and I put it in my little pan right here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some Larry seasoned salt on it. See this right here? This right here, what I'm going to put on there. We're going to season it with a little Larry seasoned salt. I'll sprinkle a little bit of that on each one. Not too much, but just want to get some flavor into it. It's going to make it real good. Put a little bit of that. Season it up real good right here. Yeah, okay. Now, we got this Larry seasoned salt on there. And now we're going to take and add a little garlic powder on it. All right. Sprinkle a little bit in there. A little garlic on it. Not too much. Just a little bit. It's going to bring in the flavor. Oh, yeah. So there we go. Put that in there. A little garlic in there. Okay. Now, we're going to add a little of this lemon. Y'all can see it. Lemon pepper. It's lemon and pepper. So I'm going to put a little bit of that flavor in it. Okay. So let's sprinkle a little of that on there. Oh, we just want to add some good flavor to it. Oh yeah, it's going to be good here. Put that in there. Just sprinkle a little bit all over it. That good flavor into it, that good lemon flavor. Okay, there we go. All right, so now that we have that on there, now we're gonna come back and we're gonna have some Cajun seasoning on it. Gonna add some of that on there. It's gonna make it really good. Kind of Cajun-like. Oh yeah, whoa, wait a minute. Hold on. It's a new one. Okay, let me put that in there. Okay, there we go. I noticed something. I was like, wait a minute. I don't see it dropping. Seasoning dropping on it. Okay, here we go. And there you have it. So we have that on there. Okay, we just want to put that seasoning on there real good. This Cajun seasoning. It's going to really bring in a lot of flavor right here. Okay, there we go with that Cajun. All right, so we'll put that to the side. And now we're going to take and we're going to add some butter. You know, just a little bit of butter on it. On each one. So that it's going to soak in all that flavor in there. Okay. Get good butter on it. Okay. There we go. Now that we have that on there, we have the butter on there. So now we're going to take it and put it in the oven. We're going to bake it. We're going to have it set at 350 degrees. And what we're going to do is we're probably going to let it bake out probably about 30 minutes. 30, let's see, 30 to 35, or maybe even a little bit longer, a little bit, about 45 minutes sometimes in there, just to bake it all the way through so that it'll be well done and real tasty. We won't have nothing where it's raw or anything, but it should bake out real good around about 30 though. But I always give it a little extra just in case. So here we go. Give me a minute and we're gonna take and place it into the oven. Okay guys, now we're finna get the oven open here. Oh, it's good and warm. Now we're just gonna take and we're gonna put our fish in there. So we're gonna bake it out real good. Okay, here we go. That's how it's looking. So I gave you the time, so we're gonna check back on it and in a few minutes here. Okay. Okay guys, it's time to check the oven and let's see. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look at that fish. The catfish here. That's what we have, and we're having this baked catfish. So it's time to take it out, and what we're gonna do is, once I take it out, we're gonna sprinkle a little lemon juice on top of it, just to bring in a little bit more flavor, as you can see right there. Oh, also guys, I'm baking out some potatoes here, so that's something else I'm working on. That's gonna be for my sweet potato pie. You see those potatoes down there? Yeah. Now I'm done a video on that, doing sweet potato pies, but hey, I'm not gonna show that one in this one. I'm just showing the fish right now. So as you can see right here, we're gonna have this here fish. So let me get this fish out of here, and then we're gonna take and let's say we're gonna take and put some lemon, if I can get it. Let me see. There we go. Sliding it around right there. Okay. Look at how it looks right there. Push that back. Oh yeah. Look at that. Look at how that fish is looking. Oh yeah. We got it all baked out. So we're gonna let it cool off, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna get us a plate together, and we're gonna have some of this here. Oh yeah, we're gonna have some. Oh yeah, give me a minute. Give me just a minute here. Okay guys, I'm back. I wanted to show you. I got the lemon. What we're gonna do is squeeze some of this here, right? I told y'all I was gonna put some of that lemon juice on that. Oh yeah, a little bit on there. So we're gonna squeeze that out right there. Oh yeah. There we go. Put that on there. Oh yeah, let that kind of soak in there. See, it's still hot, so this here gonna bring in some more flavor into the fish right here, as you can see right here. So I'm squeezing that lemon on it. Oh wow, look at that. So like I was saying again, give me a minute. I just wanted to share with y'all the lemon, that I was putting some of that lemon in there, the lemon juice on top of the catfish here. So now, give me a minute, and we're gonna see if we can plate up and have our taste test for some of this here. All right. All right, guys. I wanted y'all to also know that I did fix a slab of ribs there. Now I put those in the the pressure cooker. So I pressure cook these here ribs here. So I'm gonna have that with my my plate that I was putting together to share with y'all. So let me show you how the plate look. Let me show you how the plate look. If I can give you a view of the way the plate is gonna look. Look at here. Wait a minute. We got the fish. You see the fish on there? Okay. If I can turn it around, let me show you. See, I'm gonna show y'all what all I have. I got some rice, cream of celery mixed with the rice. Also, I have a salad that I put also on there. As you can see over there, I got the Thousand Island dressing on my salad. That's you know how that is lettuce, tomatoes. I got some bacon bits on that, and I got some cheddar cheese on the salad there. And hey, this is the way my plate is looking now. Now you know what else I'm gonna do. Since I have it, I'm gonna go ahead and cut me some of that rib there and put in there too. Now what we do around here, we cook and eat. That's right. We're not just doing a video just to be doing a video. We're doing a video to eat. And so while we up here cooking, we decided to share a video of the meal that we prepare around here. So that's what I'm doing right here, guys. So we're finna get ready to eat here. We're gonna have a good meal here. So I'm gonna get some of this rib off, and I'm gonna give you a taste test of me eating some of these here. So just give me just a minute. I know I asked y'all for a minute here while I was getting this plate together, but hey, I'm finna get it together here and get some of it. Give me just a minute here. I'm gonna add some rib to it though. Okay. All right, guys. Sorry about that. The battery had exhausted in my camera, and so I was finna tell y'all about my my meal. Now, why y'all didn't tell me I had all that sauce all over my mouth from eating on that rib there? But I noticed that, and I said, well, let me wipe this here off here. But anyway, guys, I want to tell you, I appreciate y'all. Thank y'all for tuning in, and stay tuned in, because I'm going to be doing some more cooking here. Because guess what? We're going to eat some more around here. That's right. Like I'm eating right now. And I'm enjoying this, man. I'm enjoying the salad. Oh wow! But anyway, I gotta go, guys. So I may have to get another plate. Y'all know what I mean? I may have to get another plate of that. This is good. But stay tuned in. Bye. I gotta go. Bye.